We're here at Collegetown Court on the 5th floor hallway. That's the top floor of this 5-floor elevator building. We're going into studio apartment 509. I've got the door already open, so let's go on in and take a look. You can see we're entering and the kitchen is on our left. You can see the cabinets above. There's a refrigerator, the freezer is on top, the microwave, there's a sink, and the electric stove and oven. There are also cabinets underneath, and there are drawers to the left of the sink. Let's take a look in the bathroom. That's across from the kitchen. Let's go on in here. And you can see the bathroom has that tub shower with the sliding door. The sink has the cabinet underneath that opens for more storage. The large mirror, there's a light above. I like this shelving that goes over the toilet. That gives you some extra storage space as well. And that cabinet on the wall does open for some storage for smaller items. And we've got the towel racks also. Let's go into the apartment. So we're here on the top floor of this 5-floor building. That means there's no upstairs neighbor. And you can see the furnishings. There's the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf. I like the nook where this bookshelf is situated. I think that's also a great spot if you brought in your own chair or something else like that. That would be a great place to put that to arrange your space a little differently. Let's take a look at the closet while we're over here. I like where this closet is kind of tucked in over on the side. There are some great ways to set up this particular apartment. So this is just one example. This apartment, the 09 style, is available on floors 3, 4, and 5 here in this 5-floor building. It will be the same layout. The difference will be what you see out the window, and sometimes the furniture style does vary from unit to unit. You can see the desk and chair and our full-size bed over there. And here's our air conditioner. Let's go take a look out the window. So again, this is the top floor. We are in the heart of Collegetown, so we're surrounded by buildings on all sides. So you can definitely see some other buildings around in the area. But let's take a look over to our southwest. I'm gonna zoom a little bit. We definitely get some more open valley views over to our southwest though as well. 208 Dryden Road is situated just above the main intersection of Collegetown, which is College Ave and Dryden Road. And from there, we're of course just 1 block from campus. So that's a look at Collegetown Court, apartment number 509. We're in a studio apartment here on the top floor in this building at 208 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown.